Hi and welcome to this course on Kubernetes on AWS. My name is Alan Rodericks. So I'm a software engineering specialist. I have around 10 years of experience, most of it working with Emirates Airlines. So currently I'm managing my own startup company. I just thought of going fresh. I'm a big certification buff. I have a lot of certifications to my name. So I've done the associate level certifications which are available from Amazon. I've recently also done the AWS security specialist because security is an important aspect when it comes to the IT domain and not only Amazon. So I've also certified myself on the cloud platform and infrastructure on Microsoft. So let's look at the course overview. So what are we going to learn in this course? Well, the first thing is that I thought let's start with having a primer on Docker and Kubernetes. Since we are going to learn how to work with clusters in AWS, I thought it would be good to start out just as a refresher on how these two components work. Then we're going to look at actually building a cluster on Amazon EC2. So we'll build up EC2 instances, we'll build a cluster on that. Then we look at a fully managed service from AWS, the Elastic Container Service. It's good to understand what Amazon has to offer in terms of its services so that you have more flexibility to decide on what should be your deployment mechanism for a Kubernetes cluster. And then finally, we look at some advanced concepts such as high availability, disaster recovery, etc. So why do you want to learn about Kubernetes clusters? Well, if you actually look at how the world is going today in terms of deploying applications, well, you will see the word containers and especially Docker containers. So everybody's going in terms of that microservices architecture, which looks at working with containers. And when you work with containers, you have to look at orchestration. How do you manage these containers? How do you monitor the containers? So that's important. And then obviously this all links to your DevOps strategy for your applications in your organization. So what are the course goals? So I said we're going to look at getting started with Docker containers and Kubernetes as a primer. We look at how to build a cluster on Amazon EC2. We look at using the Elastic Container Service. And then finally, we look at some advanced concepts.